The Gender Equity and Human Rights Office of the National Department of Health has termed PNG as a very sick society, given the high number of gender-based violence cases. It says more still needs to be done to keep women and children safe. Listening to testimonies, the responses of the Parliamentary Committee on Gender-Based Violence members were consistent, with Chairman Charles Abel, Deputy Chairman Governor Alan Bird, and Committee Member Governor Powers Parkop all pledged to use the powers of the committee and as parliamentarians to actively work to end family and sexual violence, even as they near the tail of the 10th Parliament. All committee members repeated their calls from the previous day to immediately establish the National Gender-Based Violence Secretariat by endorsing the 11 position descriptions developed by the Department of Community Development. Chairman Abel made it clear that the committee was focused on using their powers to get concrete results that would benefit GBV survivors. Police Commissioner David Manning advised the committee that a recent police restructure would result in 26 family and sexual violence units currently funded by donors being brought into the official Royal Papua New Guinea Constabulary establishment. He also made it clear that he believed all police officers have a duty to properly investigate GBV cases and to reject violence in their personal lives. Commissioner Manning told the committee that to ensure professionalism in the RPNGC, they will use the disciplinary process under the Police Act. Mr. Abel also engaged in a very comprehensive discussion with the Director of Public Prosecutors, Pondros Kalowin, regarding the specific needs of the Prosecution's Office to ensure more timely GBV prosecutions. Director of the Family and Sexual Offence Unit, Mercy Tamate, said there are dedicated officers willing to work but need to be properly equipped and resourced to carry out their functions effectively. She strongly urged the committee to consider their report and request for support. The committee has pledged to use the remainder of the term to continue to push for action, with their next report to be tabled in Parliament at the end of March 2022. The committee will also use that parliamentary sitting to table a motion to make the GBV committee a permanent parliamentary committee whose work will extend into the 11th Parliament. Jaheb Akia, NBC National News, Port Moresby.